is 1,776 millimeters wide, guys. Absolutely awesome. Porsche GT3 right here behind him. Look at this thing, guys. Ooh, listen to that. So nice. ACR. Pretty much a street legal race car, guys. I bet you this was fun driving here. Can we hear it one time, man? Oh, dude, listen to that. Absolutely awesome. Man. Look at that huge diffuser down here. And canards. This thing, I'll tell you guys, I bet it is a handful. Woo. Heck yeah. Did you have a nice drive here? Did you have a good drive here? Oh, yeah. I bet so. This is beautiful, man. I've seen it out here a few times. I like to get it on the show when it's here.
Thank you.
You have great taste, man. Nice shirt, by the way. Have a good evening. So nice, guys. Where's the Porsche? The Porsche, I think that was a GT3. Ooh, they're lifting the front end. How nice is that, right, guys?
Yep. I don't know what he races.
So nice, guys. Look how wide this Porsche is in the back. And I'm pretty sure it is a GT3. The fenders, look at that. It's got the foils and the fenders, everything. Absolutely awesome, guys. Yeah, so nice. Gorgeous cars.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.